guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wig today. What are we going to do today, guys? We're going to make our own red bottoms. If you want that expensive look and you're on a budget, guys, I took these shoes and I cleaned the bottom. And I have some red paint, guys, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. You're going to do multiple coats of this. It's going to take different times to dry, but we're going to create our red bottoms, guys. We're going to take our standard shoes and we want to give them that chic red look. And you get some nice water-resistant paint, guys. So when you're looking for the paint, look for some water-resistant paint. If you don't find a water-resistant red paint, you're going to get some sealer. So it's going to be multiple coats of this, guys. And it's going to take, I normally going to give it like a day to dry. But, guys, we're going to make red bottoms on a budget. And, of course, you know, it's not the, you know, I know some people can afford the real red bottoms, but for those of you who want to have that nice red bottom experience, you can buy some nice paint, water-resistant paint, and you can make your look-alike red bottoms. So just take your time and paint it, guys. Like it's going to take multiple layers. Multiple. So that is one layer to this one. I'm going to let this dry and then I'm going to go to the other layer, but it's going to be multiple layers, guys, of this. So if you see one is partially, I'm going to kind of let that dry while I start working on this. And we're going to just go over it multiple times till we get it as nice and as red as we want it, guys. So I really like it. I did another pair. I'm actually going to show you guys that pair that I did. So people be like, okay, when you paint the bottom of the shoe, do you avoid water? I mean, if it's like slightly wet, you know, you're fine. But I wouldn't go walk in a puddle, even with water-resistant paint. So, but we're going to go over this multiple times, guys. Multiple. So that's why I'm putting on like this to be my first base coat. I'm going to let that dry. And then I go over it again with another coat. And then another coat, as many coats as I need to make it as red as I need it to be. So you guys can make red bottoms at home, guys. You guys can do that. And when they dry, and they're going to look so pretty. So I wanted to bring you guys a video on how to make you guys some red bottoms at home on a budget, guys. So this is my first layer, but guys, we're going to do multiple coats. Do as many coats as you want. So this is the first coat. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to, like I said, do multiple coats, guys. All right, that's the first coat, guys. We're going to let that dry and then we're going to add on the second coat. So I want you guys just to stay tuned with me. Follow the journey. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. These is a pair that I had made a while back. And I designed the whole shoe from the stones and everything. And I like to turn off the light to get the sparkle. But I painted the bottom of these red. So I just want to kind of show you guys. But when those pairs get ready, I'm going to show you guys as well. But they, this is what they look like when you get them all done and put the polyurethane on it. So my bougie on a budget red bottoms. Thank you, guys. And I'm going to show you guys those when I'm ready to put the polyurethane on it. All right, bye-bye. We're going on, and this is the polyurethane that I'm using. And you can pick this up at Walmart. So guys, when I'm doing the polyurethane, one shoe I already kind of did to kind of make the video not be so long. And if you guys can see, this one that look wet, that's one is with the polyurethane. This one that's over here that's dry, there's no polyurethane on it. But when it dry, guys, it needs to dry like this. And then you go on and put the polyurethane on it, guys. And I'm going to do like 3 to 4 coats of polyurethane to really just make sure that it's protected. So this is the sealer that's going to make the red stay to the bottom of the shoe. And it's also going to give it that shiny look. So this is my first coat of polyurethane, guys. So I'm going to do probably like 3 coats. And when you're doing a polyurethane, we talking about 3 coats and letting it dry. Put it back on the fan. Because if you just keep, I'm getting tongue-tied. Sorry, guys. If I say 3 coats, like I just put 1 coat on, and then put another coat, then another coat, that's not considered 3 coats. The coats is in between drying. So you got to let it dry. And that's what I mean when I say 3 coats. Not just on top of each other, because those are not considered 3 coats. One got to dry, then you put another one on, that got to dry, and then you put another one on, and that one got to dry. That's my definition of 3 coats. So that is a layer of the polyurethane. This is going to go back on a fan, guys. And I'll bring you guys another layer. Bye. Or no, guys. Just let this do 3 times. And then probably the final video will be when the shoes is completely done. I don't want to bore you guys. So 3 coats of polyurethane. Alright, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. So this is it on the fan. And we're going to let this polyurethane totally dry. This takes much longer to dry, guys. So the next time you see these shoes, they will be ready. So it's going to take quite a bit of drying, guys, with the polyurethane on it, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching how to turn your regular shoes into red bottom bougie on a budget. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.